everyone has a very different view in terms of what a mid cap means. And you've got funds which, can raise multi-billion type funds, which are called mid cap, or it can be funds like the ones that we manage, which, are around the €1 billion mark. So our definition of mid cap is very much about investing equity check size of 50 to 150 million for either full ownership or majority ownership. So tends to be, EVs of companies anywhere between 3 to 500 million as a maximum. So I would say we played the lower end of the mid cap, given, where some of the other funds that call themselves mid cap are. And for us, that's an interesting part of the market, driven by a couple of things. So one, there's very few managers that actually look at that space, which means that actually there is a lower competition when you look for new opportunities. So we calculated there's probably 80% of all deals in that lower mid-market space. And if you translate that to how many managers there are, there's probably twice as many deals per manager there than when you look at actual larger mid-cap or large cap transactions. And that's actually quite exciting when you look at, as I said, origination, but also, those companies are small, and, we do see that through active asset management, you can really kind of create additional value for the investors during your ownership and then at the time when you divest those assets over time.
So it's quite interesting, actually. Like, so you develop the strategy also taking into consideration competition.
Correct. So, we want to play in a market which is additive. And, when we look at, our underlying investors, what we do in a lot of cases is complementary to, some of the other infrastructure managers that they would be investing with.